Welcome to the Abstract tutorial. In this video, we will learn how to create an abstract profile, to bridge, and to claim unique badges for your profile. First of all, visit the Abstract website and select the preferred authentication method. We will be using the MetaMask wallet. As an Abstract user, you have a unique wallet associated with your profile. To transfer funds from your EVM or Solana wallet to your Abstract wallet, click the Fund button. Enter the amount of funds you want to transfer, $10 minimum. Choose your preferred method of funding. We are going to use the Bridge method. On the Jumper Bridge website, connect your EVM wallet. Your Abstract wallet address is automatically inserted as the destination address. Remember that outbound transactions are sent from the Ethereum blockchain. After setting everything up, check the details twice. Initiate the transaction and wait for your ETH. As you can see, our Abstract wallet has now been topped up. Let's head to the Rewards tab. To claim our badges, we need to link X account. To do so, simply follow the instructions on the screen. Now you can claim your first 2 badges for funding and authorization from X. Discord authorization is required in order to grant you an XP boost for your role on the Discord server. For example, Pengu holders can earn extra XP every week based on their level. After you have successfully connected your Discord account, you can claim your badge. To earn more badges, such as voter and trader ones, you need to vote for Abstract apps and trade tokens on an Abstract platform. Go to the Discover tab and upvote any apps you like by clicking on the green triangle icon next to the apps card. Now, go to the Trade tab. Choose any token you like and enter the amount of Ethereum that you would like to spend. Click the Review button, then the Trade button. You will be able to collect your badges after a while.